This next exercise brings together the strength you have gained in your extensors and deep neck flexors. We call this exercise the bow, and it's a progression on the wall nod, which was an earlier video, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and watch that. So we're going to have you up against the wall, and you have your hips, shoulders and head on the wall. Your feet are just off the wall with a soft bend in your knees. So that's not huge, it's just a little bit to take the pressure off. We want to slide the head on the wall as you do for the wall nod, and then hold that nice neutral position where we've got some good things activated, and then we're going to move the whole upper body and slide the sacrum on the wall at the same time. You have to keep the soft bend in your knees. And then you hold this position without making your head drop. It's got to stay back in line with the rest of your spine. And then we slowly come back up. You're going to hold that end pose for around 5 seconds and then very slowly return, and you need to do 10 of those at a time.